Hi, I'm Kate. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna create this aesthetic filter for Instagram. Well, is it aesthetic or not? Who can tell? I think it looks great. Do we need something more? I start my filter with a preset. In order to apply a preset to my filter, I use the neutral LUT and apply my preset on it. Next, I'm gonna look through all the parameters here and turn off the ones which don't work with colors, because a lookup table works only with colors. So we don't need sharpening or clarity or anything else besides colors. Speaking about exposure and contrast, well, Instagram cameras should set exposure and contrast for you. But in my opinion, in most cases, it's a good idea to set exposure and contrast. Just play with it, and in each case, these numbers are different, of course. And we're done here. The last step is to export this lookup table. Next, let's open the Spark Air Studio. I'm gonna add a rectangle, full size, add a material, flat, and for the next steps, we need the patch editor. So view, show patch editor. To use the preset in my filter, I need a special patch, which is called Fast Color LUT. This patch is not the standard patch, but you can download it. I left the link below. So first I'll go to the camera and create a patch from camera texture, then I drag and drop the Fast Color LUT patch, and next drag and drop my lookup table. Connect all these together, go back to the material and create a patch from its texture, connect like this, and here is the result. So let me check the visible option, just in order to see what we've done. The next element of my filter is sparkles. So I'm gonna add another rectangle, another material, and for this material I need an animation texture. I use these textures. I have 4 files. If you need sparkles for your project, you can download it down below. And the good thing is you can control the animation by setting the frames per second. Then we can go back to the material and change the blend mode and maybe change the opacity a little bit, since I don't want the sparkles to be too intense. And my last step is to add the tap to change option, because I want the user to see my filter without the sparkles and with the sparkles. Tap on the screen to see sparkles and tap again to hide them. And don't forget about the instructions. In this case, it's tap to change, because the user wants to understand what he needs to do, right? How to use a filter. Alright, so I'm gonna export it and it's ready. Oh, it looks so good. I love it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next videos.